Have you ever wondered what would happen if the revolutionary power of decentralized finance could be harnessed? Not to challenge the system, but to strengthen it from within. What if a project could champion the American ideals of freedom and privacy while fully embracing the nation's regulatory framework? This is not just a hypothetical question. It's the story of a journey, a vision, and a groundbreaking project known as World Liberty Financial. This journey began not with a bang, but with a quiet, audacious dream to build a bridge between the untamed world of DeFi and the established financial landscape, all while upholding the strength of the US dollar. The team behind World Liberty Financial, or WLF, envisioned a future where financial access was truly democratized for every American. A future where the promise of blockchain technology could be realized without sacrificing stability or compliance. This was a monumental task, filled with regulatory hurdles, technical complexities, and the skepticism of a market accustomed to projects that operated in the shadows. Yet they persevered, driven by a core mission to forge a new path. The culmination of this tireless effort arrived on September 1st, 2025, a date that would be etched into the annals of financial history. The launch of the WLFI token wasn't just another listing. It was a seismic event that sent shockwaves through the entire cryptocurrency market, a testament to the years of meticulous planning and unwavering belief in their vision. The market's response was nothing short of extraordinary. The launch of the WLFI token was a spectacle of overwhelming demand and confidence. As the clock ticked over, a surge of interest from both individual investors and major financial institutions flooded the markets. This wasn't just hopeful speculation. It was a powerful endorsement of WLF's unique proposition. Within moments of going live, the market capitalization of WLFI soared to a breathtaking figure, approaching nearly $9.5 billion. This massive valuation wasn't just a number on a screen. It was a clear signal that the world was ready for a DeFi project that dared to play by the rules. The token made its grand debut on the world's most prominent exchanges, including industry giants like Binance, Coinbase, OKX, and BitGet. The initial price, opening in a range of 31 cents to 35 cents, quickly found its footing, establishing an initial support level that spoke to the project's perceived stability and long-term potential. This impressive launch was not an accident. It was the result of a carefully orchestrated strategy and a vision that resonated deeply with a market yearning for legitimacy and security. At the very heart of this intricate ecosystem lies the WLFI token, but its function is a radical departure from the norm. To truly understand World Liberty Financial, one must grasp the specific and deliberate role of its native token. WLFI serves as the governance token of the WLF protocol. It is the instrument through which the community guides the future of the platform. However, it's crucial to understand what it is not. The creators have been crystal clear. WLFI is not a stake. It is not a DAO token in the traditional sense, and it does not grant its holders any dividends or direct financial rights. Its purpose is pure and singular: governance. Holders of WLFI are empowered to vote on proposals that shape the protocol's evolution, ensuring a decentralized yet compliant path forward. The economic architecture or tokenomics of WLFI was designed with precision and foresight to foster a sustainable and balanced ecosystem. The total supply is capped at 100 billion WLFI tokens, a finite number that ensures scarcity and value over time. The allocation of these tokens reflects the project's commitment to community and long-term growth. A significant portion, 33.89%, was designated for the token sale, allowing the public to become early participants in the vision. Almost equal share, 32.60%, is dedicated to community development and incentives, rewarding users and builders who contribute to the ecosystem's vitality. The co-founders DT Marks, AMG, and WC Digital Fee LLC, who poured their expertise and resources into bringing this vision to life, hold 30% of the supply, aligning their success directly with the project's long-term prosperity. Finally, a smaller but vital 3.51% is allocated to the extended team and advisors who provide ongoing strategic guidance. To protect the project from the volatility that often plagues new token launches, WLF implemented a transparent and meticulously planned vesting schedule. This schedule, spanning from the first quarter of 2023 all the way to the fourth quarter of 2026, is designed to prevent sudden market shocks and maintain a healthy balance between supply and demand. Unlocks are programmed to occur on a quarterly basis, allowing the market to absorb new tokens gradually. For the earliest investors who place their faith in the project, long before its public debut, their first major release of tokens was scheduled for September 2025, unlocking 20% of their holdings. This milestone was carefully timed to coincide with the project's public launch, rewarding their patience and early support. For the core team, the commitment is even deeper. They are bound by a 24-month vesting schedule, with their tokens unlocking linearly each month, demonstrating their unwavering long-term dedication to the success of World Liberty Financial and preventing any temptation for short-term gains. This thoughtful approach to token distribution and vesting is a cornerstone of the trust WLF has built with its community and the wider market. The vision of World Liberty Financial is not a single idea, but a powerful convergence of principles. A philosophy built upon 4 unwavering pillars that define its purpose and guide its every action. The first and most foundational pillar is the strengthening of the US dollar. In an era where many crypto projects seek to replace traditional currencies, WLF takes a different path. It actively supports and promotes the use of USD-based stablecoins, most notably its own native one United States dollar stablecoin, to reinforce the US dollar's preeminent status as the world's global reserve currency. The second pillar is a profound commitment to freedom and privacy. WLF is designed to enhance private, disintermediated peer-to-peer transactions, championing the core values of individual liberty and financial sovereignty that are deeply woven into the fabric of American ideals. It provides a platform where users can transact freely without unnecessary intermediaries, reclaiming control over their own financial lives. The third pillar is the ambitious goal of bringing DeFi into the mainstream. WLF aims to demystify decentralized finance, breaking down the barriers of complexity and risk that have kept everyday users on the sidelines. By offering a secure, compliant, and user-friendly platform, it seeks to make the benefits of DeFi accessible to everyone in the United States, from the tech-savvy investor to the small business owner. The final, and perhaps most critical pillar, is its unwavering commitment to U.S. law-compliant governance. World Liberty Financial is structured as a Delaware non-stock corporation. It's a legal framework that underscores its dedication to operating entirely within the bounds of the law. This structure ensures that all governance decisions and protocol developments are made with a strict adherence to S. regulations, providing a level of security and legitimacy previously unseen in the DeFi space. These 4 pillars are not just marketing points. They are the bedrock of the entire project, the guiding stars of a journey to create a more free, private, and secure financial future for all. Understanding the potential for selling pressure as vested tokens are unlocked, the WLF team preemptively designed robust mechanisms to ensure long-term price stability and protect the value of the ecosystem. They refused to leave the token's fate to chance, instead choosing to implement proactive measures that actively manage supply. A core component of this strategy is a proposed buyback and burn program. World Liberty Financial has announced its intention to use 100% of the revenue generated from on-chain transaction fees, including liquidity fees, to buy back WLFI tokens directly from the open market. These repurchased tokens are then permanently removed from circulation or burned, effectively reducing the total supply. This deflationary pressure is a powerful tool designed to counteract the inflationary effects of token unlocks, stabilize price volatility, and signal a deep commitment to delivering long-term value to token holders. It is a proactive and aggressive approach to supply management that demonstrates a sophisticated understanding of market dynamics. The true strength of the World Liberty financial ecosystem lies in the deep integration of its components, creating a symbiotic relationship where each part enhances the value of the whole. At the center of this ecosystem is the one United States dollar stablecoin, the lifeblood and liquidity backbone of the entire platform, designed for stability and widespread adoption. The one United States dollar stablecoin is integrated across multiple leading blockchains, including Ethereum, BNB Chain, Solana, and Tron, ensuring seamless interoperability and accessibility. The utility and governance power of the WLFI token indirectly fuel the demand for one United States dollar. as a thriving protocol necessitates a robust and liquid stablecoin. This synergy creates a virtuous cycle of growth and stability. Furthermore, WLF has actively sought out strategic partnerships to bolster its ecosystem and treasury. A notable collaboration has been announced with the technology company Alt5 Sigma, a move that integrates cutting-edge solutions into its treasury management strategy, further enhancing the project's financial resilience and innovative capacity. The journey of World Liberty Financial is a powerful narrative of innovation meeting integrity, of ambition tempered by responsibility. It is a story marked by the bold fusion of DeFi's disruptive potential with an unshakable commitment to U.S. regulatory compliance. This path has been paved not only with technological breakthroughs, but also with the support of influential figures who recognized the project's transformative power. At the heart of this ongoing story is the $WLFI token. It is more than just a digital asset. It is a symbol of a new paradigm, an instrument of change that empowers its holders to shape the protocol's destiny. Through the simple yet profound act of governance voting, the community collectively steers the ship, ensuring that the project remains true to its founding principles while adapting to the challenges and opportunities of an ever-evolving financial landscape. This journey is far from over. It is a continuously unfolding saga, a testament to the idea that true financial liberty can be achieved not by breaking the rules, but by rewriting them for a better, more inclusive future.